Did you know that poor digestion could be the hidden reason behind stubborn weight gain and low energy? Many people focus on calories and exercise, but without a healthy digestive system, your body can't absorb the nutrients it needs for fat burning and metabolism. In today's video, we'll break down how the world's healthiest foods can supercharge your digestion, helping you lose weight more effectively while feeling energized. We'll cover the importance of chewing your food properly for better digestion, fiber-rich foods that keep things moving smoothly, the power of glutamine and short-chain fatty acids in supporting gut health. If you want to improve digestion, boost metabolism, and support your weight loss journey, stay tuned. How the world's healthiest foods boost your energy. When we think about weight loss, we often focus on cutting calories. But what about energy? It's common to feel sluggish when adjusting food intake. That's why choosing the right foods is essential. The world's healthiest foods are packed with nutrients that not only help you lose weight, but also fuel your body's energy systems. It all starts at the cellular level. Inside your cells are tiny structures called mitochondria, the powerhouses of energy production. For them to work efficiently, they need essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, magnesium, sulfur, lipoic acid, and coenzyme. These help convert macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into usable energy. Now think about the difference between eating nutrient-rich whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and salads versus processed, refined foods. Whole foods provide the vitamins and minerals necessary for sustained energy, while processed foods lack these nutrients and can leave you feeling drained. But that's not all. The process of generating energy also produces oxygen radicals, which can damage your mitochondria over time, leading to fatigue. This is where phytonutrients and antioxidants found in plant-based foods play a crucial role. They act as protective shields, neutralizing harmful radicals and keeping your energy levels steady. So, if you want to stay energized while shedding pounds, focus on nutrient-rich whole foods. They don't just support weight loss, they fuel your vitality every step of the way. How the world's healthiest foods boost fat burning and metabolism. Losing weight isn't just about cutting calories. It's about optimizing your metabolism so your body can efficiently burn fat while preserving muscle. But fat burning, or oxidation, is a complex process that requires specific nutrients. For your body to break down fat and convert it into energy, it depends on essential vitamins like B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, and B5, pantothenic acid. It also requires proteins, sulfur, and phosphorus-containing molecules. Without enough of these fat-metabolizing nutrients, your body won't be able to burn fat efficiently. That's why eating nutrient-rich whole foods is key to supporting healthy weight loss. Research also suggests that certain foods can activate thermogenesis, a process where your body burns calories to generate heat. Foods high in protein, fiber, and low in refined carbohydrates may stimulate brown fat cells to burn more energy while reducing fat storage in other cells. One well-known metabolism-boosting food is green tea. It contains powerful compounds like catechins, caffeine, and theanine, which can help break down fat by inhibiting enzymes responsible for fat storage. Plus, green tea is packed with antioxidants, making it a great addition to a weight loss-friendly diet. But here's something you may not have considered. Toxins in food could be sabotaging your metabolism. Some research suggests that pesticides, particularly organochlorines, may interfere with thermogenesis and make fat loss more difficult. Choosing organically grown foods helps avoid these contaminants, allowing your metabolism to function at its best. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, avoiding processed ingredients, and incorporating metabolism-boosting options like green tea, you'll be giving your body the best possible support for effective fat burning and sustained energy. How the world's healthiest foods support digestive health. Did you know that your digestive health plays a major role in weight loss? If your digestive system isn't functioning properly, your body won't be able to absorb the nutrients it needs to support energy production, metabolism, and overall well-being. Digestion starts the moment you take your first bite. Chewing your food properly is the first step in breaking it down, allowing your body to extract the maximum nutrients. The better you chew, the more efficiently your body can process food. And some experts believe that proper chewing may even help with weight loss. A healthy digestive system is also crucial for maintaining inflammatory balance in the body. If digestion is compromised, unwanted molecules like toxins and allergens can enter the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and potentially interfering with weight loss. That's why eating nutrient-rich whole foods is key to both digestive health and achieving your weight loss goals. So, what are the most important nutrients for digestion? Dietary fiber. The key to a healthy gut fiber is essential for moving food through your digestive tract at the right pace. Not too fast, not too slow. Ideally, each meal should contain at least 10 grams of fiber, while snacks should have at least 5 grams. Some of the best fiber-rich foods include vegetables, legumes like beans and lentils, whole grains, fruit skins. Glutamine, fuel for your digestive cells. Glutamine is an amino acid that helps fuel the cells lining the small intestine. Without enough glutamine, digestion can slow down, leading to poor nutrient absorption. Foods rich in glutamine include cabbage, beets, beef, chicken and fish, beans and dairy products. Short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. Supporting the large intestine. SCFAs are lesser known but critical for large intestine health. These fatty acids are produced when gut bacteria break down fiber-rich foods, providing energy to intestinal cells. You can increase SCFA production by eating whole grains, corn, oats, wheat, rye, brown rice, fruits like apples and citrus, legumes. By prioritizing fiber, gut-friendly amino acids, and healthy whole foods, you can optimize your digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and support your weight loss journey, all while feeling more energized and healthy. Other digestive health nutrients. Digestion is a complex process that involves dozens of cell types, enzymes, and muscle movements in our intestines, all working together to break down food and absorb nutrients. This process is so intricate that every single vitamin and mineral plays a role in supporting digestive health, either directly or indirectly. That's why nutrient-rich foods are essential. The more variety and concentration of nutrients a food contains, the better it supports digestion. That's exactly why the world's healthiest foods are the best choice. These foods not only provide your body with essential digestive nutrients, but they also work in harmony with your system, ensuring your digestive tract doesn't have to work overtime to process them. By eating nutrient-dense whole foods, you're making digestion easier, boosting absorption, and setting yourself up for better gut health and overall well-being. And that wraps up Part 6 of our journey to healthy, effortless weight loss with the world's healthiest foods. But we're just getting started. There's so much more to uncover. To dive deeper into the secrets of natural weight loss, boosting energy, and eating for optimal health, check out the playlist link in the description for the rest of this series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next part. See you there. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.